Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator water filter that you pull down to remove. On a French door refrigerator, pull down water filters usually are on the inside top left. On a side-by-side, they usually are on the inside top left or right. Check the owner's manual if you don't find the filter in one of these locations. First, remove the shelf below the filter if it's in the highest position. Place a container under the front end of the water filter cover to catch leaks. Press the release buttons and open the cover. Pull the filter down until it stops and then pull it out. In some models, you rotate the filter to the left. Insert the new filter in the housing. If you twisted the old filter to remove it, twist the filter to the right. Lift the filter up and close the water filter cover. Remove the container and wipe up any spills. Reinstall the shelf if you removed it. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order a new water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helps you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.